Good morning. I'm going to take a moment to thank everybody who's watched my videos. I really didn't expect anyone to watch anything, but now that you are watching my videos, thank you. This is the first in a series of videos. This one is suspension lubrication. This is essentially a dirt bike, a 100-mile-an-hour dirt bike, but a dirt bike nonetheless. So, anywho, we're going to lubricate the front and the rear, and we're going to use a silicone lubricant, and it's going to be a fairly straightforward process. You can buy this lubricant at your auto store, and it is not that difficult to do. Anyone can do this. So we will proceed. Lubricate both sides. And then jump on the bike, grab the front brake, and rock the bike back and forth. This is my shock sock for my rear shock. I made it out of a piece of fabric that I got at the fabric store and some Velcro. The shock sock wraps around the shock and is Velcroed on one side. There are two small holes melted in the side of it, so I can access the shock for lubrication. This is the spray lubricant I'm going to use for the bike. I have created an extension for the spray tube using a piece of wire insulation. I have the spray can sitting on the ground. I have the tube running up over the chain and into the side of the shock. Hopefully that is in focus. And then I'm going to just push down on the spray can and lubricate the shock. The lubricant's going into the hole in the shock sock and lubricating the shock. From this side of the shock, I can access the hole to the shock absorber. All I need to do is put the tube in and hit the top of the can. I can redirect it a little bit if I choose to do so, and that shock is going to be pretty well lubricated.